Arizona Irrigation Repair. Phoenix Drip and Sprinkler System Repair is the company to call if you need trustworthy sprinkler repair. Phoenix, Arizona. To keep your landscape lush and green, our knowledgeable crew specializes in managing all kinds of sprinkler system problems. We've got you covered whether it's a faulty control system, a leaking pipe, or a damaged sprinkler head. Contact our sprinkler repair today for free estimates. Are you looking for a sprinkler repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Arizona Irrigation Repair. Phoenix Drip and Sprinkler System Repair. What is the lifespan of a water sprinkler? The typical sprinkler system lasts 20 years, however components may require updating. High-quality sprinkler heads will need to be replaced about 10 years. How many years are sprinkler heads good for? Even with upkeep, sprinkler heads wear out. Fire sprinkler heads should be updated every 5 years to avoid leaks. What is your sprinkler repair service area for the Phoenix, Arizona office? Our local sprinkler repair has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Phoenix, Mesa, Tempe, Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, Glendale, Gilbert, Chandler, Goodyear, Sun City, St. Johns, Tolleson, Windsong, Fountain Hills, Santa Cruz, Buckeye, Chandler Heights, Peoria, Arizona. Where is your Phoenix, Arizona sprinkler repair located? We are located at 1928 East Highland Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona 85016. Our phone number is 480-319-1977. Visit our website, https://arizonairrigationrepair.com.